Now coming to the next topic, and that is femoral artery. Femoral artery is a continuation of external iliac artery. External iliac artery is a branch of common iliac, is a terminal branch of. So aorta divides into two common iliacs. Common iliacs divide into internal. Internal iliac supplies the pelvis, मतलब uterus, bladder, anal canal, rectum. And external iliac continues as. So external iliac artery, when it crosses the inguinal ligament, it becomes femoral artery. This femoral artery lies in the femoral sheath, right? It lies in the femoral sheath. It lies in the femoral triangle. Both our limbs. शुक्ला आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? Both our limbs in the embryonic position were like this. Both our limbs were like this. Upper limb turned like this. So this bone was called as preaxial bone, and this is post-axial bone. Upper limbs turned like this. So which is the preaxial bone of upper limb? Radius. Lower limbs turned like this. Therefore you see in the lower limb, upper limb, the flexor surface is here, because it has turned like this. And lower limb has turned like this. So flexor surface is behind. Flexor surface is behind. So therefore the flexion of the lower limb is behind. So because lower limb has turned like this, so this artery was here, nerve was here, and vein is here. Correct? So now what I am going to do is, instead of drawing it, so this is the vein, this is the artery, femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve in the femoral triangle. How the lower limb has turned? Inwards. So what is the preaxial bone? Tibia. So radius and tibia are similar, they are preaxial both, but tibia is on medial side, radius is on lateral side, because lower limbs have turned like this. Preaxial vein is cephalic. Okay? So when we come lower down to the femoral triangle, what happens is, the artery, because lower limbs have turned like this, the artery almost goes like this over the vein. And the nerve, femoral nerve divides here, but उसका largest branch कौन सा है? Longest? Cephalic. और वो ऐसे क्रॉस करके इधर जाता है, उसके ऊपर से क्रॉस करता है. तो पहले तीनों इज्जत से खड़े थे एक लाइन में, बाद में because lower limb has turned like this, so the nerve has come anterior to femoral artery. Femoral artery has come anterior to the vein, towards the apex of the femoral triangle. ये femoral triangle. This is which muscle? Sartorius. Which is this muscle? Adductor longus. और यहाँ पे नीचे जो vastus medialis. So apex of the femoral triangle continues with a space called as adductor canal. Adductor longus के above ये तीनों ऐसे यहाँ पे घुस जाते हैं. यहाँ पे sartorius will come on the medial side, right? Sartorius now runs from lateral to medial side. So अगर इसका मैं ये लेवल पे सेक्शन लेता हूँ ना, so this is the femur, This is the adductor longus. This is the vastus medialis, and this is sartorius. This is sartorius. Adductor longus पीछे है, posteriorly. Adductor longus, and this is vastus medialis, जो यहाँ पे medial side पे रहेगा. इसको बोलते हैं हंटर्स कनाल और अडक्टर कनाल. So we will see these three structures again in this adductor canal, where vein is here, anterior to vein is the artery, and anterior to the artery is saphenous nerve. This adductor canal was found by or discovered by जॉन हंटर, सर्जन था. सो फीमोरल आर्टरी को एक्सेस देने के लिए व्हाट ही थॉट, इफ यू जस्ट टेक द sartorius by the side, immediately you get access to femoral artery. See, this sartorius is going medially like this. So sartorius is on the medial side, vastus medialis is on the anterior side, adductor longus is on the posterior side, behind is adductor magnus. So this canal is called as, this is the femur, adductor canal. You will appreciate it only when you go to the dissection hall. So this adductor canal anteriorly is bound by vastus medialis. Your latest textbook says anterolaterally. Anteriorly, yes, adductor canal anteriorly लिखा है, या anterolateral word use किया. Adductor canal towards the end of the chapter of front of thigh. इतना टाइम लगाएगा. Posteriorly adductor longus and medially sartorius. So you understand this sartorius muscle goes like this. Okay, यहां से निकल के ऐसे जा रहे हैं. Okay, sartorius. vastus medialis क्या लिखा है? एंटीरियरली लिखा है, anterolateral लिखा है ना. That's what in the latest editions it talks about anterolateral, adductor longus, posteromedial and medially sartorius. But you can also remember anteriorly क्या है? vastus medialis. posteriorly क्या है? adductor longus. laterally क्या है? sartorius. और उसका कंटेंट क्या है? sartorius. medially क्या है? sartorius. उसका कंटेंट क्या है? femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve नहीं, saphenous. ये जो medial compartment है ना, adductor longus, adductor magnus, they are supplied by a nerve called as obturator nerve. Obturator. OBTURATOR. Obturator nerve. ऑब्टुरेटर नर्व. तो उसके दो ब्रांचेस रहेंगे. ये सार्टोरियस के नीचे एक सब सार्टोरियल प्लेक्सिस ऑफ वेन्स नर्व्स होते हैं. सब सार्टोरियल प्लेक्सिस ऑफ नर्व्स. देन हियर विल बी ऑल्सो नर्व टू वास्टस मीडियालिस. सो दीज आर द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द एडक्टर कनाल. एक अच्छा एकदम मस्त 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है एडक्टर कनाल. ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज हंटर्स कनाल. ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज सब सार्टोरियल कनाल. सब मीन्स बिलो. सबवे गए कि नहीं सब लोग सबवे में? नहीं. सबवे क्या है? नहीं बोल रही तू. क्या है सबवे? हाँ, टॉपर. सब व्हाट इज सबवे? Subsartorial canal. Yes, that's the topper. Subsartorial canal. Sub means below. Below the sartorials. किसी को सैंडविच का याद नहीं आ रहा है, जाने तो छोड़. Subsartorial canal. Sub means below. So 3 names for adductor canal. Adductor canal, Hunter's canal, subsartorial canal. Bounded anteriorly by vastus medialis. Bounded posteriorly by adductor longus magnus. Medially by sartorius. Contents are femoral artery, femoral vein, saphenous nerve, 2 branches of obturator nerve, nerve to vastus medialis, and subsartorial plexus of nerves. Okay. एक बार और. सॉरी, काय जोर से बोलो, जोर से बोलो, उठो. और कौन सी नर्व? चारों इस साइड. Saphenous nerve I can understand because it is going like this over here, and now to vastus medialis, okay, you can show it here. Obturator nerve के branches, so saphenous nerve here we had correct, nerve to vastus medialis here, and the reason I had drawn it here I'll tell you. Obturator nerve branches, you can show it on this side. Ultimately there is an anterior branch and a posterior branch, and the posterior branch gives its branches to the subsartorial plexus. Okay, the branches of the obturator nerve also reach there. So these are the contents. Okay, femoral artery, femoral vein. Now this femoral artery now comes to here, and then it pierces the adductor magnus and goes to the posterior compartment. So femoral artery, it will pierce the adductor magnus and it will go to the posterior compartment. It doesn't continue like this in the anterior compartment. क्यों जाती है posterior compartment में? You remember the cubital fossa? Cubital fossa, you remember? So cubital fossa, the brachial artery was here, right? What is the cubital fossa here? Here behind the knee also there is a gap like this. You can feel for that. In a flexed position behind the knee there is our cubital fossa of the lower limb. That is called as popliteal fossa. Popliteal fossa. What is cubital fossa here? Has to be on the back side of the lower limb, and that is called as popliteal fossa. So now all of these are heading to go behind. So therefore they have come on the medial side. They will pierce this muscle and they will go behind to the popliteal fossa. Femoral artery branches we had discussed. How many branches? 3 superficial, you remember? What were they? Superficial external pudendal, superficial epigastric, superficial circumflex ileum. The deep branches are muscular branches. ऐसा ही उसका नाम ही है, muscular branches, which supplies all these muscles. Then deep external pudendal. ते चालू करायला. Deep external pudendal. थम इकडून. Deep external pudendal and profunda femoris. So 3 superficial branches and 3 deep branches. I'll repeat the deep branches again. Profunda femoris, then deep external pudendal, and muscular branches. So femoral artery, it enters the femoral triangle, then goes medially enters the adductor canal, leaves the adductor canal by piercing the magnus and goes to the posterior compartment. I'll write down the course for you, but one more thing, it gives 6 branches here, 3 superficial, 3 deep. Anybody has any doubt about this? 3 deep branches: profunda femoris, deep external pudendal, and muscular branches. Okay, 6 branches here and 7th branch is given here, and the 7th branch is called descending genicular artery. Genu means a bend, genicular means going to the knee joint. Descending genicular artery, which is also one of the content of the adductor canal. Descending genicular artery. Okay, total 7 branches femoral artery. 6 branches in the femoral, 6 branches. तो आपका भी एनर्जी लो तो मैं भी ऐसे 6 branches. हाँ, जोर से बोलो ना. 6 branches in the 6 branches in femoral triangle and 1 branch in adductor canal. So total how many branches are there of the femoral artery? 7 branches. Of the 6 branches in the femoral triangle, 3 are superficial and 3 are deep. What are the 3 superficial branches? Superficial external pudendal, superficial epigastric, superficial circumflex iliac. What are the deep branches? Profunda femoris, deep external pudendal, and muscular branches. And शुक्ला तुम्हारे बाजू का लड़का, ये बाजू, क्या नाम है आपका? हाँ, कौस्तुभ. What is the 7th branch of the femoral artery? Descending genicular artery. It is given in which area? It is given in femoral triangle. It is given in the adductor canal. Sit down. If I have to write the course of the femoral, artery, branches तो आपको मैंने बता दिया. If I want to write the course, I would say external iliac artery crosses the inguinal ligament, right? Crosses the inguinal ligament, becomes femoral artery, where it lies in the femoral sheath. Then it goes to the apex of the femoral triangle. Enters adductor canal. As it is going and entering, it is crossing femoral vein, right? Yeah? Femoral sheath. It lies in the femoral sheath, goes to the apex of the femoral triangle. As it is going towards the apex of the femoral triangle, what is happening? It crosses, ये vein है, ये artery है. Because lower limb turns like this, the artery passes anterior to the vein. Okay, it becomes anterior to the vein. Enters the adductor canal. In adductor canal वो proper anterior हो गया अभी. यहाँ पे lateral था, अभी anterior हो. And then pierces adductor magnus and enters popliteal fossa as Sindhu river becomes Indus. This femoral artery becomes popliteal artery. So femoral artery is a continuation of which artery? Continuation of, and it continues as popliteal artery. It continues as popliteal artery. पॉप्लिटियल आर्टरी. यह स्पेलिंग देख, डबल एल है क्या पॉप्लिटियल में? हाँ, डबल एल है ना, एक है. पॉप्लिटियल आर्टरी. So external iliac becomes, when does it become femoral? When it crosses the, and when does femoral become popliteal? When it pierces the adductor magnus muscle. And in between, femoral artery passes through two structures. What are those two structures? One is femoral ट्रायंगल एंड 2 इज एडक्टर कनाल. अभी लेक्चर चालू होने से पहले गलती से फीमोरल आर्टरी क्वेश्चन आ गया, तो इतना तो आप कोर्स तो लिखोगे कि passes through femoral triangle, then apex of femoral triangle, enters adductor canal, leaves adductor canal, enters popliteal fossa, becomes popliteal. Relations लिखने को बोला तो एक तो adductor canal में you can very easily write आगे vastus medialis, पीछे femoral vein adductor longus, medially sartorius, okay. Now question is, what about the relations in the femoral triangle? So anteriorly skin, superficial fascia, deep fascia. There is genital branch of genitofemoral nerve in the femoral sheath. Then posteriorly, sequence में लिखो, psoas major, pectineus, adductor longus. Initially it will lie on psoas major, then it will lie on iliacus, then it will lie on pectineus. Psoas major, pectineus, adductor longus. Psoas major, pectineus, adductor longus. That will be posterior relation. What will be its lateral relation? Femoral artery का. Aishwarya, what will be the lateral relation? Femoral nerve. What will be the medial relation? Femoral vein. See, relation वो देख के बच्चे घबराते हैं, but once you understand, हमने femoral nerve में क्या बोला? It lies lateral, मैडम, it lies lateral to the femoral artery, बराबर? तो femoral artery का lateral relation is femoral nerve, medial relation is, सुरू कर ना, झालं ना. हेच मला वाटलं तू ते चालू हा मिळालं का? इथं असेल. सो थँक्यू.